Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to go full screen on chess.com. Now, if you want to play full screen in a chess.com match, it's actually quite simple, although there is nothing of a direct option for this. So I'm going to show you something, right? So let's just click on solve puzzle here. And I'm going to show you why there's no direct option for a full screen. The only, I guess, remedy for this is if you hover your mouse here and you're going to see these two arrows that are pointed diagonally, you can make them big. You can make the board bigger or smaller, right? This is actually helpful if you want to augment your full screen, quote unquote, full screen option. So let's make it the biggest we can get, which is this, right? So once your chessboard is this big, the next thing you need to do is on your keyboard to press F11. So I'm going to do that right now. As you can see, it is now bigger. This is the biggest it can be. This is the most full screen effect that we can have in chess.com. Again, you can do this on your PC. You can do this on your laptop, and this is for Windows specifically. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.